Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl MS250. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything. I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers and one more picture. It's not enough for them. And then one sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, so far this is what we got going on here. It looks nice. I was looking at everything here. Carburetor is working. The acceleration, everything looks fine. You know, it's missing this here. I got one that I'm gonna use to throw gas. Remember, we take everything apart because we're gonna give it a shot. Okay. Now, when I came here, look at this. Oh my God! Are you seeing what I'm seeing, guys? Guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. Look at that. This equipment is broken. You only can use it for parts. If you try to fix it, you're making a big mistake. Look at that, baby. My God. Talking about pretty. And so far here, let's see the clutch if I can do it. In one hand. No. I think it's working. We're gonna do one. Alright guys, enough is enough. Let's give it a shot to see where we are. Let me hit this here. The light. Alright. Sorry about that. Boom, I got it. Alright, right there, we're good. Okay, let's go. You see? You see me there? Perfecto. Hondo's working. Alright. Oh, come on. You're going to start with me again? I don't know why they make it so difficult. Oh, it's me. Remember, guys, I sell for parts. This is a damaged equipment. These are broken parts. Buying from my store, always keep in mind. I always try to show you the best I can, like that I can be fair with you guys. The same way I expect from you guys when you receive. Alright, we got it. Okay, you got it, baby. Let me see if I can open a little bit here. Do old school. Oh, look at that old school. This is without the spark plug. Remember, I want you to. Alright. Talking about power. Alright, let's hit it. Let me see what we got here. Alright, came with a good spark plug. Look at that, huh? Let me see if it's good. Yeah, it looks good. Always check the spark plug, guys. Make sure it has the right opening. Okay, let me throw a little of the of gasoline. Let me make sure if one of mine works here. Let me see. Yep, this one works. We're gonna use it. We're gonna throw some gasoline on that one. Alright, let's go. Let's see what it does. Alright. Alright, just a little gasoline, not that much. Alright, we got it. Let me see the oil if it has. Oh yeah, we got oil, guys. That means if let me make sure you see it's dry. That means if it works, that means it's working. If you start throwing a little bit there, let me see if it's clean. Sometimes I like to use the. I don't know if you can even do that, but I just did it. Alright. Yep, I can hear him. That means it's working. Alright, let's go. Let's throw a little bit of the magic liquid here. We're gonna see, this is to chug it. We're gonna throw Oh, wait a minute. Alright, we just throw a little bit there, boom, let's see what it does, let's go. Enough is enough. Let's see if you're watching, you got it there, alright, let's go. Esa! Oh, baby! Alright, this is on, this is choke, we don't need choke no more, I can see our baby's ready to go. Alright, you know what? I should put the muffler, guys, let's go back. We should put the muffler just for a second, like that, for the sound. This is a decent neighborhood, okay? Come on. Alright, just at least for the sound a little, you know, better. Alright, right there. Alright, that doesn't move that much. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Let's go. We got him. You see you looking there? Let's go. Oh, I thought it was gonna go. Woo! Alright, I forgot about the clutch part, and it went out a little bit because I don't know if this piece was working or not, but we're gonna figure that out. Woo! Guys, I cannot go like that. This is a decent neighborhood. I'm the only one here making noise. Alright, so far handle works, butterfly works, coil works. Remember, this is mine. I just put it here to do the test. It's not gonna be in the picture. And we're gonna check here what went wrong here. Maybe it just went out. I hope I didn't break it, but it just went out. That's why I stopped. I didn't want to go. Ooh, I should have checked that, but that's fine. Guys, I sell for parts. It looks like a good machine. I'm gonna throw better pictures, but it looks to me like it's working. But remember, if you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's a damaged equipment. It's broke. Thank you, guys. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se une la raza. Tenemos un stihl MS250. Como está la niña. Ya vieron, ya. Se ve que para empezar está bien cuidadita. Quien la tenía, coño, de verdad. Ahí le puse el muffler, pero vieron cómo estaba el pistoncito. Nada más lo hice para el ruido. Tengo que zafar todo eso ahora de nuevo. Déjame ver si lo puedo para que vean cómo está eso. Ahora, yo sé que ya lo vieron al principio, pero bueno, hay gente que le gusta esperar al final para que yo le explique en español. Entonces, si lo vamos a hacer las cosas, vamos a hacerlas bien. Miren eso de adentro, dejen que yo les tire un flachetazo a eso de adentro para que ustedes vean cómo está eso. Miren eso, Dios mío. Qué clase de presión. Lo estoy haciendo con la ladera y el asiento. Se ve bien eso, me gusta. Para la pieza creo que está una máquina bien prometedora para mi gente de afuera que compran de mí. Y aquí vamos a ver qué fue lo que pasó. Lo voy a meter para adentro, no creo que haya pasado nada. Espero que no. O es que está roto o es que lo pudo haber roto, que zafé algo ahí adentro sin querer ahí. Discúlpenme si le rompí algo ahí que la vaya a comprar. Vamos a ver, espero que no. Bueno, ya saben mi gente, para la pieza, miren, no me fijé si estaba saliendo, veo que está aquí el aceite, pero aquí mira, salió un poquito. Salió un poquito, quiere decir que hay promesas, hay promesas. Aquí lloró también un poquito, ¿me? Ya. Bueno mi gente, que se una la raza.